Demonic po ba ang makabasa ng guhit ng palad at ng makaunawa ng panaginip?
Hmm. Babasahin natin bro ang CCC, babasahin natin ang CCC ha. 11:16-21 ba yun bro?
21:16. Pakiano ba Brother John Ray ko maglabas si Sisi?
Okay,
21:16.
21:16 of CCC. Okay, ito itong mababasa mga kapatid. 21:16. Sabi dito, all forms of divination are to be rejected. Recourse to Satan or demons, conjuring up the dead or other practices falsely supposed to unveil the future. Consulting horoscopes, astrology, palm reading. So ito yung tanong, palm reading, interpretation of omens and lots, the phenomena of clairvoyance, and recourse to mediums all conceal a desire for power over time, history, and in the last analysis, other human beings as well as a wish to conciliate hidden powers. They contradict the honor, respect, and loving fear that we owe to God alone.
No, sa tanong mo ba, kapatid, demonic ba yan? Malinaw na malinaw dito bro na all forms of divination are to be rejected. Ano ba itong forms of divination? Occult practices including horoscopes, astrology, fortune telling, and mediums. These practices replace trust in God with a desire for control or secret knowledge. They violate the first commandment by seeking spiritual power or knowledge apart from God. So, kinukondem po dito bro. Recourse to Satan or demons. Ayan ang sinasabi dito sa Catechism of the Catholic Church yan ha. Bakit rejected? Recourse to Satan or demons, conjuring up the dead, mga spiritista, other practices falsely supposed to unveil the future, mga fortune telling. Oh. So it is condemned by the church, bro. And then, sa Biblia tayo, basahin natin ang balang kasulatan, bro. Sa Deuteronomy chapter 18, verse 10 to 12. Basahin natin, bro.
Deuteronomy 18,
Sa English lang, bro.
18:10 to 12.
Mm-mm.
Okay, ang sabi sa 18:10 to 12 ay ganito. Don't sacrifice your children in the fires on your altars, and don't let your people practice divination, or look for omens, or use spells, or charms, and don't let them consult the spirits of the dead. The Lord your God hates people who do these disgusting things, and that is why He is driving those nations out of the land as you advance.
So, malinaw na malinaw, ha? Sabi niya, anyone who does these things is detestable to the Lord. Grabe, ha? Deuteronomy chapter 18, verse 10 to 12 yan. So, hindi yan hindi yan nakapagbigay pugay sa Panginoon, kapatid.
About po sa mga magi sa pagsilang ni Jesus, di po ba mga astrologer po yun? Hindi
Majay,
po.
majay, hindi magi.
Majay pala eh. Magi nilagay dito eh. Okay, hindi po ba contradict sa CCC natin to? Father Darwin, yung mga mago, yun daw ay mga astrologo. Hindi ba daw yung contradict sa ating CCC 21:16?
Hindi naman dahil sa astrology sila, labag na sila sa kalooban ng Diyos. Ang Diyos man ang gumamit sa kanila. Sa Bible, kahit pa mga false prophet, ginagamit din ng Diyos yan para sa katotohanan. Even sa Balaam. Balaam is a false prophet, pero ginamit siya ng Diyos para ipahatid ang totoong loobin ng Diyos. So yung mga astrologo, hindi naman sila ginamit ng Diyos para ipaalam yung maling mensahe. Hindi, ginamit sila ng Diyos kasi sila yung nag-aaral about astrology, sila yung nag-aaral about sa mga signs. Nalaman nila yung sign ng pagdating ng Mesiya na may sinyalis, ano ang mensahe doon, yung bituin magpapakita, yun ang pinaka ano doon ng mga astrologo, yung mga tatlong hari. Nakita namin yung malaking bituin, sabi nila, kasi sabi kasi sa ano, isisilang ang Mesiyas, makikita ang isang sign. So, although yung kanilang trabaho is against sa katuruan ng simbahan, pag ginamit naman sila ng Diyos para sa katotohanan, wala namang labag doon. Even Balaam is a false prophet, false king. Pero ginamit siya ng Diyos para sa pagsabi ng katotohanan. Yun lang siguro, Padre.
Merong
So, Bro
sagot
John Ray.
dito, bro. Bro, may sagot dito. Babasahin ko lang. They were astrologer, yes, historically speaking. The Magi from Matthew chapter 2 verses 1 to 12. They were wise men from the east, likely Persian or Babylonian scholars who studied the stars in their time. This often involved a mix of astrology, science, and astrology or spiritual interpretation of celestial events. So, contrary ba ito sa teaching ni Kristo? Ito yung sagot. God used their culture to lead them to Christ. Ulitin ko God used their culture to lead them to Christ. The Magi followed a star that led them to Christ. While astrology as practice is condemned in the Catholic Church. See CCC 21:16. This story shows God's power to reach people even through their limited and imperfect understanding. So pwede gamitin yung sinasabi ni brother Jandre, no? Dahil yung kultura nila sinasakyan ni Kristo para sa Diyos para even through their limited and imperfect understanding. Pero ang pinaka-importante dito, bro, God did not endorse astrology, but rather use a star, a real natural event, to draw a sincere seekers to the truth, Jesus. So, ang Panginoon na hindi nag-endorse ng astrology, Brad, mga kapatid, but He uses star, a real, natural event to draw sincere seekers to the truth. And then, anong resulta? The Magi were converted, not promoters of astrology. So, anong punto dito? The Magi were converted. They follow Jesus. No longer their old belief. Not promoters of astrology. After encouraging Christ, they worship Him and change their course. Matthew chapter 2 verse 12. Their journey is symbolic of the gentle nations being drawn to Christ. The church venerates the Magi for their faith, not for their astrology. Take note, The church venerates the Magi for their faith, not for their astrology. The Catechism of the Catholic Church, 21:16, condemn astrology. Modern astrology that claims to predict personality, destiny, and future events is clearly contrary to the first commandment because it replaces trust in God with trust in stars or fate. So malinaw na malinaw, bro, So hindi nag-promote ang simbahan, hindi nag-promote ang Panginoon. So anong ginawa ng Panginoon? He uses the real natural object, a natural celestial
Kung sa baga,
star.
kung sa baga padre, ginamit ng Diyos yung mga astrologo to decode the meaning of the coming of the Messiah.
Yes.
The fulfillment of the prophecy about Messiah. Sila kasi ang nag-decode nun Tapos isinulat sa Bible. So kung hindi through them, hindi natin malalaman ngayon, padre.
Mm-mm.
Sila ang nag-decode nun.
Totoo.